like a Hellcat.
What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So a lot of you guys have been requesting me to react on this music video from Meghalaya called Blessed by this singer called Lily. So I'm very much eager and excited to react on this one. So without wasting any time, so without further ado, let's just dig in, dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what our sister Lily has for us on the table, man. Let's get it. And yeah, before we totally get into the video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing constantly. It truly means a lot. So let's just jump straight into the video. Let's enjoy the ride. Let's do it. Oh, she got a necklace with her name on it. Blessed.
I've been running on this show.
Oh.
This is all I've ever known.
Oh.
You thought I would come around, but I'd be riding on this road forever.
Wow, the accent. Man, this is dope. This is crazy. I feel like I'm watching a music video from US or the UK. Man, crazy, man. I'm loving this. Her voice is awesome.
Be riding on this road forever.
Hey.
It's what all my dreams are made of.
Oh.
I'm gonna go and chase them all. Hey. I'm letting it all go, letting my feelings drift to shore. Hey. Oh, I'm so done just keeping the walls from my front door. I've got my immortal, I'm
Hey.
stronger than ever. I've got my immortal.
She is singing better than all those American singers who are put in this Billboard charts and all. She is doing better than them for real, man. Hey, also she is pretty.
I've got my immortal. Yeah. I've been living on this. I've been living on this. I've been living on this rough road.
Oh.
I've been living on this. I've been living on this. I've been living on this rough road. I've been living on this. I've been living on this. I've been living on this rough road. I've been living on this. I've been living on this. I've been living on this rough road. I've been living on this. I've been living on this. I've been living on this rough road. I've been living on this. I've been living on this. I've been living on this rough road. I've been running on this show. This is all I've ever known. You
Oh.
thought I would come around, but I'd be riding on this road forever.
Hey, this is awesome, man. This is dope, man. Top notch, first class. I don't know what to say, man. I really love it, man. And this is the first time I'm listening to her. And I wish the song was a little longer. That would have been better. But I'm gonna check more of her stuffs. Man, this is really amazing, man. Her voice, oh, the boldness in her voice, the confidence, the melody in her voice was superb, man, superb. I'm really loving this one. I'm so proud that this music is coming in from Meghalaya, from the northeast. Man, crazy. Keep coming more. And shout out to Lily, shout out to all those who are involved in her music and stuff, her work. Shout out to each and every one of you. You guys are amazing, man. And a special shout out to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. Hey, man, Northeast for life. Here we go. Ding ding.